We have finally done it. PowerToys 1.0 is here. You thought it would never come, but this is a huge update that includes changes for shortcut guide, command palette. Hold on. Yeah. It's not? It's decimal place? So it's 100. Oh. Okay, yeah, no worries. Thanks. Okay, so apparently decimal places matter. It's not 1.0, it's 0.100. But regardless, this is still a huge update with a brand new shortcut guide, big changes for power display, a lot of updates for command palette, and some other work under the hood. Let's dig into it right now. First up is Shortcut Guide version 2. And this thing has been completely redesigned. It now slides out from the side and is context aware. So it's not just Windows shortcuts, it's app specific or even PowerToys commands, depending on what you're working on. This is one of those features that you don't realize how many shortcuts exist until you actually see them all. Next up is Command Palette. And you know, the power of Command Palette really comes from its extension ecosystem. But we've heard your complaints. It's hard to identify extensions. Where can I find them? How do I know when new ones exist? Well, all that changes today with the brand new extension gallery inside of Command Palette settings. The new extension gallery lets you browse, install, and manage extensions without having to leave Command Palette. And then let's talk about the dock. If you've been using the dock, I want to hear about it in the comments below. But if you have used it and have been dying for multi-monitor support, well, die no more, my friend. Here it is. Now each monitor can have its own dock, and you can control exactly what shows up where. Power Display also gets a big round of updates with things focused on reliability, like faster startups, better monitor detection across reboots, and more consistent settings. There's also a max compatibility mode that allows it to identify more monitors easier. And of course, a quick shout out to Zoom It. Now you can record video with a webcam overlay, stitch different videos together, or even add transitions. So if you're making demos or tutorials, Zoom It is going to make your life a lot easier. Under the hood, PowerToys has moved to .NET 10. We've improved the auto update capabilities, and we've also got a smaller installer size. So that's kind of cool. So no, this isn't PowerToys 1.0, it's 0.100. It's a mouthful. But regardless, it's a big milestone release with changes for Shortcut Guide, Command Palette, Power Display, and more. I'll let you read the blog post in the description below if you want all the details. And of course, it wouldn't be possible without our amazing community giving us feature ideas, feedback, GitHub issues, GitHub pull requests. We love it all, so keep them coming. Until next time.